Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I reached the top of the leaderboards in one affiliate marketing company for February of 2023 and how I earned nearly $30,000 in the process. I'm going to show you the system that I implemented, and by the end of the video, you're going to be able to copy this whole entire system for yourself. So we as a team can reach and crush the top of the leaderboards in any affiliate product that we promote. So if you're excited for this video, go ahead, drop the video like, subscribe to the channel, tick that bell icon, because each and every single day I'm dropping a video showing you exactly what I'm doing in my affiliate marketing business so you can copy it, so you can reach success a lot faster. So without further ado, let's go ahead, let's jump to the computer screen and let me show you exactly what it is that I did. And the best way to illustrate it is with this flow chart right here. I've been showing this quite frequently over the past few weeks because it just simply works. All I'm doing is I'm taking people from a traffic strategy to a custom sales process. And then on the back end, I'm promoting these affiliate products. Now, what most people are doing when they're trying to make money with affiliate marketing is most of them are promoting the same thing the same exact way. They'll use the same funnels that the product owner gives you, that the business owner gives you. And so when you have thousands upon thousands of people joining the same opportunity and promoting it the same way, there's no way that you're going to stand out and stand head and shoulders above the rest. So knowing this, because I've done this for over a decade now, I know exactly what you need to do to separate yourself from the masses. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to focus on one specific traffic strategy. What a lot of people do when they're getting started online is they focus on way too much at once. You want to hone in on one traffic strategy and simply master it. So for me, it is YouTube. This is my bread and butter. So what I did is I created a 30-day series up to this point of videos where I'm releasing a video a day and I lead people into a custom funnel. This custom funnel is going to look something like this. Okay, just a simple opt-in page, which the opt-in page is right here. When somebody enters their email address, they get logged into what's called an autoresponder. This autoresponder will send out not only log emails, but send out emails for me on my behalf. And these emails will send people to my YouTube videos, my YouTube series, and it will also simultaneously send people to affiliate offers. What these YouTube videos also do is send people to these different affiliate offers as well. So it's very simple. Once people enter their email address, this whole entire system starts working for us. So they'll start receiving the email follow-up. They'll then go to a thank you page that then goes to my YouTube videos. And this is where the power really comes into play. So let me show you this in action. So let's say we're driving traffic from a YouTube video, somebody clicks the link in the description and they go to this page right here. They're going to click on yes, give me instant access. They're going to click on this once again, enter their email address. It's going to take them to the thank you page, just like I showed you right here. Then they're going to access video one here. Video one is going to bring them over to the YouTube channel. And this YouTube channel is going to have YouTube videos, of course, just like the video that you're seeing right here. And in the description, it's going to lead people to different affiliate offers. So if we go to this YouTube description right here, you're seeing all these different steps that go to multiple affiliate offers where I'm making money. Now, one of the primary affiliate offers is in fact this one known as E1U Life. And this is the affiliate offer where I reached #1 in February of 2023. So what happens is people will click the links in the description, they'll join these different affiliate opportunities, and I get a commission. After that, I will release day 2 on, of course, day 2 of the email series. So again, going back here to this flow chart, this is part of the email follow-up series. So from the thank you page, they go to video 1, but then in the background, the email follow-up is delivering video 2, and then video 3 on day 3, and then video 4 on day 4, and video 5 on day 5. And right now, we've actually got exactly 30 videos, as I explained, in this whole entire series that people are receiving on a daily basis through the email follow-up series. And also, they're getting notified on YouTube when they subscribe to my channel as well. So once this whole entire system works together every single day, you have a perfect formula for success. And that's the formula that's allowed me to get these massive results that you're seeing right here. So what you need to do to copy this whole entire formula, it's actually very simple and straightforward. I'm actually allowing you to copy my YouTube videos. Okay, so you can get that YouTube traffic. So you don't have to put your face on camera. You don't have to put your voice on camera. You don't have to edit videos or do anything of that nature. You copy my videos exactly how I show you. Those videos will generate traffic. Then those videos will build an email list for you and follow up with the prospects for you, sending them to multiple offers as well as your own YouTube videos on your own channel. And when I say your own YouTube videos, they're my videos just like this, but they're uploaded to your own YouTube channel. So now your emails aren't just going to go to the multiple streams of income, these different affiliate offers that you'll set up. And again, the playlist below, make sure you go through the whole entire playlist because it's going to show you exactly how to set all of this up. So also these email follow-ups will go to these YouTube videos. People will click the links in the description and join that way as well. So this is so powerful. And it's very easy to implement each and every day. And you could do this in no more than 5 to 10 minutes per day. I've got all the email follow-ups created for you. All the offers are done for you. Everything is done for you. All you have to do is simply just set everything up and then spend 5 to 10 minutes per day uploading a YouTube video and sending out an email from our broadcast emails that we have as well. So we'll have a separate area where we use an email service where we can generate email traffic as well. And we've got done for you emails that obviously help you out with this. So all you need to do is just copy and paste and boom, start bringing in profits. So if you like this idea, there's going to be a few steps below in the description of this video. So go ahead, complete those steps, and you will be set up and good to go. I sure hope you got value from this video. I hope you implement every step of this series up to this point. Again, go back, watch the playlist so you can ensure that you get everything set up and that you can copy this whole entire process for yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Joshua Elder signing off, and we'll see you in the next one.